This is the Aquaponics tilapia farm. Our compartment over here is the tilapia. Right now I have about 26 or 28 fish, about 6 inches long here. There is an automatic feeder that feeds them 3 times a day. There is a firehouse bucket biological filter. Just cycles water to and from the main tank here. This tank's about 350 gallons. We have aerators that are bubbling up in the water here, also of course in the biofilter and elsewhere in the system. So the water just comes in through the tubing here on the right and then goes out the fitting at the top. And you can see some of the fish in here. That water drains to and from this sump area. When it drains down, it goes through a rock filter and comes back up and goes out the side of that other firehouse bucket where it drains into the general compartment. That provides some mechanical filtration before it gets to the plants. And then the pump pumps it right back into the main tank. There is, for this sump area, there is a automatic water top off. So that trash can there is my auto top off reservoir, and the water, there's a little switch inside this tank right there. You can see with the blue light, it monitors the level of the water, and if the water drops too much, it fills the sump with water from this reservoir. Then there's another pump in here that goes to the grow beds. It goes through the tubing and plumbing in the back here. And I'll back up so you can see what this is. This is a double-decker grow bed system. I don't have anything planted on the top just yet. I still do have to get the lights installed. But we have the lower tier system. I planted several things. There's a little bit of a mess over from where we harvested one set of lettuce. Both of these 2 plants right here are broccoli. I won't do broccoli again because they just get so big, but they have done really well in this system. This one is a newly germinated lettuce. I think this one's a Bib lettuce. There's parsley. That's a mint. And back here we have some more of the Bib lettuce. There's a kale that's done really well. This is bok choy. Here's an iceberg lettuce that seems to be growing really nicely. Red romaine. There are 3 basil plants. There's a butter lettuce. And all of this seems to be growing really well, really nice and healthy. The grow lights turn on with a automatic timer, and so that happens automatically during the day. And the water just drains out from the tubing at the top. It comes back in tubing here at the inlet, and then we have air for aeration in the system there as well. So far the total system volume is about 900 gallons of water, and the fish that are in it have been growing since February, and it's August now, so they've grown very well. Everything seems very nice and healthy.